Hey there guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. Wanted to show you today, I picked this up from FeiyuTech. This is the AK2000S. So this is an upgraded model over the original AK2000, but just want to do a quick unboxing here with you guys to kind of show you what comes in it. And like I said, I want it to be a quick unboxing. So it's called Concise Tech. I'm gonna try to get through this somewhat quickly here. Quicker than others. So obviously if you want a more detailed unboxing, you can find a bunch of those out there. Pretty cool case. I mean, this is kind of like basically a styrofoam case, and looks pretty neat. Looks like these are your locks, I guess. Here, already failed opening it up the wrong way, so you'll see you want to make sure you open it up the right way. FeiyuTech side up here, but let's see. So you get a bunch of different attachments. I believe this is for the lens support, I believe. You get your quick release plate here for the camera. This is the other part then where that locks into for the plate up top. That one's gonna move around and stuff that you'll have to set up as well. Got this bag here, this kind of cloth velvety bag. Let's see what we got in here. So here's all your cables. So there is a micro USB to Type-C. There's a little kind of screw there. Here's like a hex tool with some other hex screws there. There's kind of like a 3.5 millimeter cable to like a Type-C, and actually that's not a 3.5 millimeter cable, that's actually like a smaller cable. And USB standard Type-C. It's another USB, and I forget what that type of connector is called, but you can kind of see there. And another USB to micro USB. Let's see, another one of these guys, Type-C to this kind of pin connector there. Other type of USB micro one here to regular USB. So you got all kinds of different connectors there to use with your equipment. So again, that will come in this bag, so we'll stuff all that back in there. And this is your undersling handle. So this feels pretty good. This actually, I really like the texture on this handle here. This is a very soft, smooth rubbery material, so it feels real nice in the hand. Here's the bottom tripod piece, so that is gonna telescope out, so pretty neat. That's just gonna screw into the bottom. Looks like that's a 1/4 inch tripod thread there. That's gonna go onto the bottom of the actual unit. And then here's the actual main body of the AK2000S. With this one, there are locks, as you can kind of see, like right here, to lock the 3 different axes. So it's nice for storage. This is not going to flop around like some other models do and things like that. This isn't too bad weight-wise either. It feels pretty good. I like the wood accents. It definitely makes it look nice and quality. And everything here is metallic, feels really solid. See the branding there, but yeah, I really like this so far. It's a good unboxing experience. I'm going to drop probably a couple other videos on this. Might do some quick tutorials and everything, but just want to do a really quick unboxing video here just so you guys could see that without dragging it out too much. But yeah, you could get this for $349 right now on Amazon. I'll put the link down here below in the description, so check it out. If you like quick tech videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button right over here and check out the video up here. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.